Hello students, I hope all of you are doing well and reading also. In my last video I have started a new chapter, that is synthetic fibers and plastics, which is required for your half yearly. So today I am going to explain the different varieties of synthetic fibers. These are rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. Polyester can also be divided into two categories, main categories, that is styrene and PET. PET, full form of PET is polyethylene terephthalate. So let us discuss these varieties one by one. First is rayon. Rayon is a fiber which is made from regenerated cellulose or viscose, that is called viscose, and this is the cheaper variety of natural silk. It is also called artificial silk. Okay, so cellulose, which is obtained from wood pulp, is used for making rayon. So rayon cannot be considered as fully synthetic fiber. It is semi-synthetic fiber, because this fiber is obtained by the chemical treatment of a natural raw material, that is wood pulp, and wood pulp gives us cellulose, which is used for making rayon. It is having a beautiful structure like silk. It was obtained from chemical treatment of wood pulp. It is a man-made fiber. So, as it is a man-made fiber and cellulose is treated chemically, so cannot be considered as fully natural fiber also. It is cheaper than natural silk and can be woven like sari fibers, silk fibers. It can be also dyed into wide variety of colors. It is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets or mixed with wool to make carpets. Now, how rayon is prepared from wood pulp? Let us know about it. Rayon is produced as follows. Wood pulp is dissolved in an alkaline solution. Alkaline solution means the solution which is made by the mixing of an alkali with water. Alkali, for example, sodium hydroxide. Alkali, you got in class 7. What is alkali? You remember? Alkali is water soluble bases are called alkali. So sodium hydroxide is an water soluble base. So we make an alkaline solution and wood pulp is dissolved in alkaline solution to form a sticky liquid which is called viscose. So the mixture of wood pulp and alkaline solution is called viscose. Viscose is forced to pass through the tiny holes of a metal cylinder. This metal cylinder with tiny holes are also called spinneret. So, viscose is forced to pass through the tiny holes of a metal cylinder into a solution of sulfuric acid. A solution of sulfuric acid is taken and this viscose is forced to pass into the sulfuric acid solution. As it falls on the sulfuric acid solution, it forms a silk-like thread which is called rayon.